One name. I say on a good afternoon. Conscious. One name Organia Dago. Today is 17 February 2023. Where about the ego? I go at Shogun Ibu Mad. Fabs here, or Gayabun. Edian as a gay fair. That is the hunger in the land. Everybody are suffering. You have your money at bank to have it as cash at hand. You not have access to it. Aburo Madina never could plan far. Now be here, let you go. In the POS, where will I go? There go. Go ahead, missing. Bank manager, let's see a guy in. Let's see any politicians. That's why I be in a bank. I see a guy. There's no money in the bank. Once ever in the history. It's a very big change. So why did I? So why did I? You can't carry them. When you couldn't when you can in fact, even animal nebe, I don't need a carry the nation nebe. If we have a man, Ogo knock at a legitimate one, Ogo knock at a legitimate. This is where even the nation is not happy. What is going on in Nigeria? Have a wonderful day and come join me. Come join me, shop food. Please share this video so that others will get across it. My name is Mazi-UC. Follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe on my YouTube page. Bye for now.